Hi guys, it's Dan from DU Waterscapes here. So we are in Western Island on the Somerset levels with a 3x2 preform pond that we are going to be really building into an ecosystem pond, which is just behind me down here. There's a basset houndlet. So it's this one, so it's quite formal looking, preformed. We're putting on a ecosystem pond and a 1 metre stream. And I'm about to be harassed by a springer by the looks of it. Starting to take this apart and it really smells quite horrible, and so let me just flip you around. Yeah, so it's really quite murky, really quite a horrible smell to be honest, and obviously not enough filtration on this, obviously circulation as well. You've got a couple of large fish, you can sort of see one baby there, so getting some rocks and gravel into this is really going to be beneficial in terms of getting the bacteria consuming all those nutrients before green water and cloudy water sets in. Another thing to consider with this pond is obviously the size of it is fairly small, and the filtration, so a pressurised filter with a pump in the bottom pulls all the particles and the sediments and leaves, everything to the bottom, so they break down in the bottom rather than actually being pulled and actually disposed of. So by putting in a skimmer sort of in here somewhere, that's all the water is going to be drawn into here, leaves and debris. Detritus is then going to be put to the upflow and biofills before it comes down a metre stream, which is going to be somewhere through here. So we're back to bare bones now, so the water's out, the fish are in a holding facility. So we're going to be clearing up here, marking out where we're extending the pond to, marking out where the skimmer's going, and get this one looking good. Thanks for sticking with us guys, we managed to get the shape rejigged, skimmers in place. So tomorrow we'll come here first thing, get the liner in, get the underlaid in, and we're going to start rocking this pond. So the pond's pretty much finished rocking in, and we're just now about to crack on with the waterfalls just behind me here. Thanks for sticking around. So we've all finished up here in Western Island in Somerset. We've got a small ecosystem pond with a babbling brook. Fish are back in, seem quite happy. This is like sound, it's lovely, isn't it? Thanks for watching the DU Waterscapes showcase. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Catch you guys soon.